Hi and welcome to another Tabitha's Glass Emporium YouTube video. Today we're looking at this joyful piece of a young girl playing in the rain and jumping in muddy puddles. She has one of our little frogs in a pocket and one of our ducks and our new fantastic Raindrop Murrine decorating this piece and bringing it to life. So today I'm going to show you how to make this. So for our little girl, we have used this. We've got a temper to this, so you can have it if you want. I've just used, Elmer's to glue it onto here, which I quite like this method, and then you can just cut around it. It will slip as it gets wet. It kind of will pull apart the paper, but normally it will hold together enough to be able to cut out the shape. It's just one of the tricks I use. So we can go and cut this out. We've also got our boots to do as well. So we've got all our pieces together here. We've cut our umbrella and we just sort of mocked it up on this white glass, and I think it's going to look so much better on powder blue glass. Now, of course, I've lost her face, but yeah, I think it's going to look so much better on that. So quite often you can do that. You can probably best not to cut the glass. You can just put the piece on a piece of glass you've got and try it out. And then I tried it on the blue before I cut it and went, yeah, I prefer it on that. So we're going to put it all together on the blue glass and we can have a look how it looks. So here this is out of the kiln. The face didn't come out quite as well as we'd like. I mean, I love everything else. I think it's awesome. We're going to go over the face again with some more enamel and put it back in the kiln for another firing, and we can have a look how it is when it's done. So here she is out of the kiln looking awesome. Now we're thinking whether to put this in a frame or on a stand. We might just leave it for the moment on a stand to display in the studio in our shop. And then if someone comes in, if they wanted it in a frame, they could always get it in a frame. We could frame it at that point in time. I really love it. I think it's great. Love the little frog in the pocket and the raindrops. I just think, really bring this piece to life. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please remember you can find all our products at tabithasglassemporium.com. Please go there, sign up to our newsletter. We only send out 2 a week and they're very informative. You could also join our group on Facebook, fantastic group full of lots of lovely people who are sharing their ideas of projects to make with our Murrine. So that's a great place to find out some inspiration. Until next time, happy fusing.